Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can locate the folder of your Google Sheet files or Google Docs file. So here I opened up Google Sheets. You're just going to select this bit right here and move, and you're actually going to select, as you can see, it's in the spreadsheets folder. It's where the current location of the file is. So you're just going to select open in new tab, and it's going to bring you to that actual folder, and you'll see that your file is there. Unfortunately, if it's somebody else's file, you can't really find it. It's very hard to find it in your folder. You probably will be able to find it in shared with me if they did share it with you. But this is where you'll be able to find where your file has been located in the Google Drives section. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!